According to plan, we need to burn Pahalgam. Go execute the plan. Yes, sir. We are executing the plan. Go inside and kill everyone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good work. Now blame Pakistan for this and start preparing for Operation Sindhu. Pakistan is responsible for Pahalgam. India needs to take action against Pakistan. Attack Pakistan! Set Karachi port to the fire! Sir, they are preparing for Operation Sindoor. They don't know what will happen to them. Sir, India is preparing for an operation. This will be India's biggest mistake. You are going to strike mosque and civilian homes. Make sure no kids survive. Yes, sir. They are coming. We will jointly teach them hard lesson. Sir, our radar has detected incoming enemy jets. Shaheen, kill them all. Do not let any aircraft cross our airspace. Yes, sir. Godzilla 4, explosion reported in the air. Godzilla 2 or 3 got hit. You lost even our Rafale jets! Get out! Our Rafales are down. Our drones intercepted. You failed my Operation Sindhu. We are launching this operation for our innocent blood and our sovereignty. Last night they took a strong punch, and now they will face an even stronger, harsher lesson. Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Incoming! It's hitting the base! Help us! Please, sir. Ceasefire. Pakistan Zindabad!